What's up, dude? This is Nir from The Bricks Dude, and today the Bricks Dude team has come to a special place. This is a collector's home. This is the home of Eran Kuziel, and he's a very unique Lego collector. You can see what I have here on this side and on that side. This is something you don't see every day on the same place. Alright? Watch this. So Eran Kuziel, who's a member of the Israel and also an adult fan of Lego from Israel, was kind enough to host the Bricks Dude team at his home to watch over his collection, which is beautiful, amazing, and I have no other words to express our thanks to Eran for letting us visit and see everything he has there. If you went to the end of this video, you'll be able to see some still photos which we made for part of the collection, mainly of the classic Lego space things, and that's amazing what he did there. Wait and see. Hi Eran, thank you today for hosting the Bricks Dude team at your home. We're very excited to see this huge collection. Everywhere I look, I just see wonderful things, things which some of them I've never seen before, at least not in the naked eye. And also whatever you did there with all the lights in your Lego city, this is super amazing. So we're very excited.
Thank you very much.
Eran, how old are you?
41.
41. And how long have you been in this business of the Lego?
I've been collecting from when I was a kid, but of course there's the dark years. So I come out from the dark about
the medievals, yes.
Yeah, about 10 years ago, and then started with especially the Minifigure series, and then moved to the Modular building series.
So you came to all this collection in 10 years. All this and whatever we're going to see in this video.
I mainly focused on the classic space.
That's our favorite.
Yes, when I was a kid, I of course had some sets of classic space, and then I want to restore what I had and expand on it. So this is now what I have.
So you're saying that classic Lego space is your most favorite?
Yes.
All right, that's super cool. And what else do you like to do? I saw that you're combining some kits of lightnings, of lights, those light sets inside your Lego sets.
I like the display not to be to look only, but also to be interactive. If it's to add some lights or moving trains or whatever. So this is what I like to make a nice display and make it interactive.
I see. I also saw that you have some mocks. For example, that one over there, I think that's a mock, and maybe a few other things around here.
Yes, very little, and not so much time I have to spend on mocks, but I intend to improve on that.
And of course, you're a member of the Israel. So
yes.
This logo, we almost have the same shirt. That Israel gets the Israeli Lego user group, which we're all member at. So. Respect. All right, thank you, Eran. We're going to look around and maybe we'll get some explanations from the owner and the creator. Okay, now we're inside Aladdin's cave. Let's see all the wonders. So, Eran, I see that you have a collection of minifigures here. Lego minifigures.
There are many kinds, some of them from the Minifigure series.
These are coming bags, but I've never seen these ones.
Yes.
Vintage minifigure collection. That's something.
This is only one from several kind of.
Wow. I guess
sets
this one.
that is come out.
So probably this is very rare.
Yes.
And what do we see here?
Also some from the Minifigure series. This is from series 1.
Wow.
Some basketballs with the hinges in the legs.
Oh, I remember that set, yes.
Bob's Fog and Star Wars a little bit.
All right.
Lord of the Rings.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's an elf. Amazing and beautiful. Yes. I also like this thing when you see that yellow painting of a yellow minifigure. That's something very nice, artistic, I would say. And I see here maybe some Looney Tunes and some Disney minifigures.
Yes, Disney and Looney Tunes series.
Oh. Used to be my favorite when I was a kid. Let's move on. So now we're entering into the Lego City realm. And I see here, wow, that's beautiful, a lot of lights. Probably these are kits of lights, which you've been combining here.
Yes.
So what do we see?
Yeah, we see here the modular building series. All of these and the Ghostbusters firehouse.
Ghostbusters. Oh,
Yes.
beautiful. Sweet. This is very nice. I mean, these are regular Lego.
It's mini LEDs in the round one by one brick.
One-on-one round plate. Yes. That's wow. That's very nice. Looks like a real cinema.
Yeah.
And
Also, the sign of the pool in the detective house is changing colors.
you mean
Yes.
This
yes,
one?
Yes, it changed
Wow.
colors.
so? If I wait here a little bit, the color will be different, I suppose.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Nice. Okay. That's
This is the green grocer modular building. It's very rare.
this one.
This one, yes.
Green gloves. Okay. Nice. Very nice. And
Simpsons house and Quickie Mart.
which one? This one?
No, there.
Ah, over there.
Simpsons.
So these are the Simpsons.
Yeah.
Okay, and I see also the roller coaster.
Yeah. This is the amusement park.
And who's responsible for all this layout?
This is my 6-year-old son.
Wow. Okay. Well, I can definitely say that he has good flavor. Very nice. And we have that. What's that? The Eye of London. Very nice. Like amusement park, and there's the Disney Castle,
yes.
and of course we have that train running around. And what do you see here in this closet? This exhibition closet, I see those are flashlights, manual flashlights, which you can actually like
Yes,
that.
it's no batteries. It's
All right, no batteries, just a kind of dynamo,
exactly.
and that ship in a bottle. I see a collection of all Lego spacemen.
Yes.
Well, the orange is missing, but no worries. If anyone is worried about that, yes, we have the orange minifigure inside the book. And I see the London buses and also the
Yellow Submarine.
Yellow Submarine of the
Beatles.
Beatles and some
This is the
skeletons.
Hobbit.
Yeah, that's the Hobbit. That's the Shire. That is house in the Shire and brickheads.
Some
and
brickheads.
some stuff there below. Once Upon a Brick.
Yes, this is the.
Yeah, that's a nice book.
It's a pop-up book.
Okay, now we're entering my favorite part, classic Lego space. Watch this. Now, what you see here, this is the monorail, okay? This is the monorail, but it's not as it comes with the original set. Actually, these are many monorails which was connected together. And actually what we have is something, you know, it's a very long railway.
Mm-hmm. The special thing here is the spiral. If you can zoom in, you see they sit on the hinges so that we can do the spiral up and down.
So there's a hinge just like that
Yes,
to keep it here
exactly.
attached.
Yes.
Very nice. And of course I see all the classic stuff here, the 928.
918, yes.
And yes, that's
No,
you know
the
my
big
favorite.
spaceships.
And that one, yes, I had that one when I was a boy. And also these are from the second phase of classic Lego space. Super nice. All right, and I see, wow, you have so many bennies. Are these all bennies?
This is the original
Ah, that's the original one.
The original.
Yeah.
Blue space with
And this one, where's that from?
This is from this.
Lego
from
Hero.
It's from this set. It's the bad guy.
The bad guy. All right.
Yes, I know.
All right. I see some more Lego space. These, I suppose, there's not enough space to put them in the main layout, right?
I need to arrange it more.
I see another, a
Yes,
second ship of Benny.
Two, yeah.
So you have two. All right. Also a nice one from the second phase of classic Lego space. Beautiful. I see this one is an addition.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, got you. And here's the lunar model of Apollo 11. Also, who's that? I think this is Wally, maybe. And Stranger Things. Everybody's Equal. And also, what's that over there? Seinfeld. Used to be my favorite TV show. All right, very, very interesting and nice. Not to say impressive. So we have, what are these ships? This is maybe probably from
This is
Pirates of the Caribbean, maybe?
It's called the Imperial Flagship. It's a set by Lego. This is from the license of the Pirates of the Caribbean, the ghost ship from the latest movie.
Maybe Queen Anne or something like that?
No, it's from this movie. Dead Man Tells No Tales.
All right.
That's the name of the ship.
Okay, and I see that you have this
Calendar, yeah.
calendar, and also that's I guess Optimus Prime.
No, Volta.
All right, sorry. And I see some more stuff here. This is the Saturn V from Apollo 11 mission. And, well, that's a Harley.
Yes.
I always say you don't own a Harley, the Harley owns you. And, of course, that's, I guess, the Aston Martin from James Bond 007 movies. What is this one, the blue one?
This is Ford Mustang.
Yeah, Ford Mustang, yeah. Mustang is a nice car no matter what year was it produced, and that's the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Super impressive. All right. Visiting Eran's home felt like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. That was an amazing feeling to see all this beautiful, huge collection. And we would like to express our gratitude to Eran and his family. And here you can see a couple of more photos of the collection, as well as what you see now, which is the classic Lego Space collection. And whatever he did there with the monorail is something which you don't see every day. I'm not sure that you can call it a mock, but still, this is maybe a mock of the railway itself. This is not something you see every day, and it's, I guess, unique. Enjoy the experience. So again, this is Nir from The Breaks Dude. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.